Need Zoom for your meetings, classes, or catch-ups? Just download it on your PC. It's super easy and takes only a minute. First, open any web browser and go to zoom.us. That's the official website. Now look at the top right corner and hover over Resources. Then click Download Zoom Client. You will be taken to the Downloads page. Under Zoom Desktop Client, hit the Download button. The Zoom installer file will start downloading automatically at the bottom of your browser. Once it finishes, click the downloaded file and run the installer. Zoom will now install in a few seconds, and you'll see the app launch with the familiar sign in and join meeting options. And just like that, you've got Zoom on your PC. Now you're ready for Zoom meetings right from your computer. If this video helped, tap the like button, subscribe for more Zoom tips, and drop a comment if you want to learn how to set up your first meeting next.